honorable ministers, parliamentarians, members from media, renowned experts, and business community members, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great pleasure and an honor to be here this morning, and I think the subject is extremely important and relevant to the need of the day. I will not repeat what our earlier speakers have said, but I'll certainly submit before your kind consideration certain important points and then seek your, in fact, I'll request all of you to be here, reflect beyond any ray of doubt their commitment and their concern for their motherland, Pakistan. And I'm very grateful to all of you who have come from Europe, from North America, from Middle East, Far East. It's really